Goodbye for now, Manila. See you later, Guam. Uy, may naliligaw oh. Uy, dito ko muna uy. Ayan no, welcome to Guam, half a day. Grabe ah, dati San Felipe ka lang. Dati Bonnie ka lang. Ngayon nandito ka na sa Guam, USA.
Dati Mandaluyong lang.
Winner. Half a day, Guam. Yes sir. Morning. Yes sir, arrival Guam. Half a day. Half a day. In Guam. Good morning, Coach Kino.
Good morning.
Let's go. Where's Coach Jimmy? We're looking for Coach Jimmy. Yes, and we're back here in Guam. First timer, Coach Kino. How does it feel?
Ayos mga coach. Kaiba pala dito.
Mr. Jimmy Yee, half a day. Mr. Fryers.
Half a day. Nice shirt.
Kaya pa naman, pero medyo inaantok na.
Buhay pa.
Yes sir, mga ka-winners. Coach Kino in the house. Coach Kino. Coach Kino, yan yung mga championship, di ba? Father Joyce, ito meron dito. Yan. Familiar ba siya yan?
Familiar. Coach.
Yan. Champion. Mga ka-winners, day 1 namin dito sa Guam. We just arrived kanina mga 4 a.m., 2 a.m. dyan sa Manila. And now, we're going to have our first day sa Yee Impact dito sa Father Duenas. We're here in Phoenix Center. Oh, yes. Home of the Fryers. Go, go, go! Get clear, clear, clear! Go, go! You gotta go to the right. Move to your right. You gotta dribble. You gotta dribble. Dribble to the right. Very good. International coach. Kaya pa naman, pero medyo inaantok na.
Buhay pa.
2 a.m. sa Manila, 4 a.m. dito. Wala pang tulog.
Alas 6 sa Manila, nagtuturo na tayo dito. Alas 8 na dito.
So, loaded. Yeah, pero yan ang buhay, coach. Buhay, coach, dito sa Guam.
Siyempre coach, diba? Hindi mo mapipigilan yung oras. Pag may turo, kailangan turo tayo. All out. Game lagi.
Yes, sir.
Listen, observe, be a sponge. Be a sponge. Coach, you just gotta do it now. Okay? Just gotta do it. Other than that, let's go.
Now we have 30, 1, 2, 3.
Ayun coach, nandito ako sa Guam.
Hey,
Oy.
done with day 1.
Day 1, finished. Thanks for coming. Very fast today.
Day 1.
Day 1.
Time to eat. When you're in Guam, don't ever forget to eat in Jamaican Grill. Okay? Best barbecue Masubukan naman. Grabe.
Hindi ko nga alam, coach, kung pang-almusal tong gutom ko o pang-tanghalian. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Yes, here we go. Jamaican grill.
You want to share with the
Thanks, Coach. Yun ang soup. Soup drinks. Gusto mo?
Try it.
Si Coach Miro yan. Water lang tayo.
You don't like soup?
Ako na lang magsusup. Coach, welcome.
Coach, thank you.
Para sa iyo lang lahat yan. Thank you, Coach Jimmy.
Coach Jimmy.
Red rice. Kaya ba?
Kaya ako. Puyat naman yun.
Konti lang naman eh. No?
Thank you.
Yung first part mo, tapos na. Breakfast. Ha? Yan susunod. Yan susunod. Yan.
Ito, lunch,
lunch naman.
Lunch ito, Coach. Lunch. Brunch.
Brunch na.
Brunch in Guam.
Ano to? Isa pa? Ubus.
Parang may kahati yata ako, Coach.
Ano ka? Mag-isa ka lang dyan, uy. Right, Coach? One order only
Full.
for him?
Full.
Yeah, full. Yeah. Tami full. Busog ako.
Oh, you want photo?
Yeah. Ikaw, nabusog ka ba?
Di alata.
So ngayon, alam mo na lasa ng Jamaican grill.
Sarap, sarap, Coach. Masarap.
Only in Guam, USA.
Only in Guam.
Sine-check ko lang kung tulog ka. Nadami kain eh. Hoy, nahuhulog. Because of you gave it too much food. It's falling asleep. Even the cell phone is falling asleep. Welcome to Guam, sir. Silip-silip lang tayo dito sa Tumon Bay. Okay, mag-check-in na kami. Dumating kami kanina 4 AM, so hindi pa pwede mag-check-in. So nagturo muna kami sa FT ng first session para sa middle school tsaka sa high school. So susunod naman namin, papahinga kami, check-in, and we'll see what's gonna happen for the next day natin dito sa Guam. Yun no, ating turisto, Coach Kino. Mukhang busog na to
Ganda, Coach. Sobrang simple pero sobrang linis. Kaya, Coach, nandito ako sa Guam. Napakainit. Noon, hindi ko naman pinangarap pumunta dito, Coach, pero mukhang babalik-balik tayo.
Coach, where are we?
Kings. Open 24 hours.
Kings, yeah. So paano? Kain ka na naman?
Siyempre, after tulog, kain.
Kings.
Sakto pa yung pangalan ko.
Kings.
Eat like a king.
24 hours open. Kings. Dito sa Guam. Oh, lots of veggies. For you, all veggies. For me, the pork chop. Oh yes. Fried chicken.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're feeding him too much. He's gonna be triple XL. Para hindi tayo palo-palo. Kailangan vegetables muna. Diba? You're a good boy.
Oh,
What's your order?
Philly chicken sandwich.
Philly chicken
So I thought you were doing for it.
Ano? Kaya pa ba?
Nakatawad.
Di bale, tanda mo, ang goal mo, mag-3XL ka.
Protein, di naman nagbubuhat.
Kaawa ka na, uy. Buto-buto na.
Sulit, coach. Sulit. Kailangan sulitin every penny. Yeah, every penny.
It's hungry.
Ano yung pinipila mo? Kakain ka ulit?
Kaya ako dito, coach.
Papayat ka o pa?
Feeling ko small lang ako dito.
Pagbalik na 3XL ka na.
3XL. Parang ano, dito si Bailey sa coach.
Grabe oh.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna watch out.
Grabe yung mga awards ng Kings. Oh. Wow. Kaya ang daming kumakain dito eh. Ito na yung next king ng Guam.
Eat like a king.
Sa atin, 7-Eleven. Sa'yo, dito sa Guam.
Kmart.
Kmart. Ayan, Kmart. Diba?
Kmart.
Kanino ba to? Kay Mark?
Sa akin, coach, K.
Kano?
Kmart.
Ano kaya feeling ng turista natin, no? Dito sa Kmart. 24 hours. O ano?
Tinitingnan ko, coach, kung okay pa yung grocery ko eh.
Don Kino.
Kmart.
Ano? Ayos ba ito? Ayos ba ito?
Nice, coach. From Kings to Kmart.
Kmart. Ano? Gusto mo ng hugs?
Sarap ng
Hugs.
hugs, coach.
Hugs, oh. ano mga nabili mo?
Ito, coach. Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy, hugs.
Hugs. Free
Saka,
hugs.
asan yung ano mo? Ayun, no? Meron kang
Bubble tea.
bubble tea. Yan. Huwag mo kalimutan toothpaste mo.
Hey, toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Ang hirap hanapin, coach. Ang hirap hanapin.
Mura pa.
Ha?
Mura.
Nako, coach. Parang 10 toothbrush na yata. Katumbas nito.